my before and after video. Before I had too many dark spots, acne scars, and also I had hyperpigmentation problem around my mouth. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So welcome back to another skincare video. So a couple of months ago I had posted a video regarding how I cleared my acne. So in that video, so many of you had commented asking how to clear acne scars, dark spots and hyperpigmentation. So today I will be sharing how I cleared my acne scars, dark spots and hyperpigmentation from my face. So if you want to know more about this, so please keep on watching, and also if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the product that I use to clear my acne scars, dark spots and hyperpigmentation from my face is the Gleamin Vitamin C Clay Mask. So this mask is all over Instagram and they've given a very good review about this. So out of 5 it has got almost 4.6 rating. So that's how I ordered this product, to try on how exactly it works on my skin. So this mask has all the natural ingredients, and the main 3 ingredient, it has vitamin C, turmeric and aloe vera, and this mask instantly enhances your skin and it gives you the luminous glow in the first application itself. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant which helps to lighten your dark spots, acne scars and hyperpigmentation. Along with that, it also enhances your skin, and turmeric is an anti-inflammatory which helps to heal your acne and acne scars. Along with that, it helps to lighten your hyperpigmentation as well. It also has a aloe vera, and aloe vera helps to treat your dry skin. Along with that, it makes your skin very smooth, soft and supple. So I love the packaging of this. It comes in a yellow pink cardboard box, and also they have given the instruction how to use this product. Along with that, there's a ingredients information in it. And so let me open this box and show you what I have received in this. So as soon as I open this box, it says that it's glow time, and along with the mask you will be receiving a applicator as well. So this is a cute little brush which they have given to apply the mask evenly on your face. And the inner packaging of this, it comes in a yellow glass jar. So let me show you the product, how exactly it looks. So the consistency of this clay mask is very creamy, and let me apply a little bit on back of my hand so you will get an idea how exactly it looks. The consistency of this is very thick and it's very creamy, and the application is very smooth, and this has a very nice good natural smell in it, and it smells more of like a citrus, and if I want to say exactly how it smells, and I love the smell of this. Now I will apply this mask on my face, and before applying this mask we have to wash our face. So I will wash my face and I'll be right back. I'm done washing my face, and I will apply this mask using this applicator, and I will apply all over my face, and I will leave this mask for 10 minutes to dry. As soon as I apply this mask, there is a little bit of tingling feeling in it, but that's okay. The tingling is a sign that the face mask is stimulating blood flow and in turn collagen production in the skin. So you just have to leave this mask for 10 minutes while the clay absorbs the oil and gunk from your pores, and the superfood ingredient works their magic. 10 minutes is done. So as you guys can see that the mask has been completely dried up. So I will use a damp napkin to wipe my face, and this mask easily comes off. You don't have to struggle a lot to remove this. It's easily, within one swipe you can see that the mask comes off so easily, but you have to use a damp napkin to remove it. So I have removed the mask completely. Now I'll wash my face with the normal lukewarm water, and I'll be right back. So after using Gleamin, my acne scars are cleared and I don't have any kind of dark spots, and even the hyperpigmentation around my mouth has been lightened. Trust me guys, in the first application itself I can see the difference, that my face was like glowing and I had a very luminous finish on my face. So this mask is 100% vegan and it is cruelty free, and you get 60 grams of product for $39. To purchase this product, I will provide you the link in my description box and you can just go and check it out. So I apply this mask weekly twice. For the best result, you can apply weekly thrice. And that's it for the today's video, and thank you so much. Keep supporting and keep loving me in this way, and see you until my next video. Bye bye.